this. Guys, welcome to another vlog. For those who are new here, my name is Claudia Wax. And if you're watching me for the first time, make sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, support your girl here. And on today's video, I'm just taking a walk around this place. I hope you will enjoy this video. It's not about the normal video on the street, but I'm just walking. As you can see, I'm in the middle of So this is the view. I'm in between two roads. You can see. Yeah, and I'm always enjoying walking. Hi, unataka? Sema hi. Hi. So I'm just walking around. Yeah, it's the evening. I'm taking an evening walk. And the reason why I'm walking in between this place is that I just want to feel good. Yeah. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, support your girl here. And I just realized that 80% of you guys are watching my videos and are not subscribing. I don't know why. And subscription is free. To subscribe is free, no charges, guys. So consider subscribing. Road to 5,000 subscribers. I just want to take a view of this place. And if you know this place, let me know. Also, if you're watching this video, let me know which other street or which other place you want Claudia Wax to visit. Let me know which other place or street you want Claudia Wax to take you. You know, I'm a walker, so that's why I keep on walking. Hey, this guy has got a nice smile. Say hi to my fan.
Hi.
Just come here, avoid this road.
Yes, hi. Popoa.
Oh, it's just from church. He's going to watch a game. Which team are playing today?
Manchester United versus West Ham.
Okay, which team do you support? Manchester. Hey, Team Man U. Team Kuba Bana. We love Man U, and I support Man U team. And for those who support Man U, we just wish you all the best. May you win. This is for you today. Thank you. Team Man United States. If you are Team Man U, let me know in the comment section. Which team do you support today? I have to be careful people, yeah guys, some vehicles are moving too fast. And I know this place is not safe at all. You can see I'm in between two roads. Yeah. Guys, the view of this place looks good, but don't if you come around, don't dare to pass here. You can see the place I'm working. It's risky. It's risky. And guys, I'm shouting because of the vehicles. People are working on that side, but because of the sun, it's not good. I have to face on this side. I have to put on my camera on this side so that you can see well. Oh. I don't know if my camera is clear, but I hope it's clear. I hope you can see me. I hope you can see the view. Road to 5,000 subscribers, guys, by the end of this month. Make sure if you come across this channel to hit that subscribe button. Support your girl here. You're enjoying the walk. Oh, look at this big truck. Sun is too hot, you can't see it clear. I'm telling you, the sun is too hot. And bear in mind that it's around, even look at those cows, guys. You can see some cows there. They are crossing the road. We have a matatu stage over there. Oh. Look at that matatu, guys. Another one, People are trying to cross the road. Hi! I'm coming! So there is a guy who is trying to call me on the other side. but I will have to wait for the vehicles to pass so that I can get a chance to go on the other side. Yeah. So I have to be careful. I have to be patient. Now we are good to go. No, nataka kuona huyu mnyama. Hi.
Hi. Nataka po. Hii news inatoka wapi?
Inatoka kwa cloud ya wapi?
Wengi hapa hivi.
Kwa wengi hapa.
Rada ni gani hapo hivi?
Waambie hayo wasalama kwa wangu.
Hi, rada ni gani? Mfiti. Huku ni fedha huku. Beba also hapa. Bana.
Haya sawa. Kwa cloud ya wapi on YouTube? Haya sawa. So let's keep on walking as we get the vibe of this area. Hata tukaisaidia kazi.
Kariobangi also hapa wewe. Kariobangi also.
Haya sawa. Oh ndio hii wale Kariobangi hasa. Kariobangi hasa. Unaenda. Bro unaenda. Kuja.
Sasa wote Kariobangi.
Moja twende. Ronda river, madam. Ronda river twende.
Beba moja wewe. Hapa wewe.
Ronda river kuja. Mmoja twende.
Ronda Kariobangi also tayari wewe. Kariobangi also hapa madam. Kariobangi also.
Kuna kitu madam.
Beba Kariobangi also. Also Kariobangi hapo wewe. Beba hiyo, beba wote. 50 bob. Kareni hapo wewe.
Twende Kariobangi also. Kuna kitu.
Beba wote hapo hivyo.
Mmoja twende. Twende imejaa twende.
Nyuma hapa.
Sawa. Ingine twende. Yo guys, I'm trying to get the bus here. This is Kenya, this is Africa. Madam, kuna nini hapa? Bye. Those guys are just bad guys.
Kariobangi also hapa ya nyuma.
Oh, twende. Madam naenda.
Kariobangi.
So guys, this is what happens here in Kenya. Madam, twende. Kariobangi hasa. Guys, I'm trying to assist those conductors to fill those vehicles, guys. We are just trying to find people to fill the vans here. Kariobangi hose up. Yo, sema hi, bro.
Hi.
Hey, mommy. Sema hi. Oh, we are going to Kariobangi hose up, guys. Yeah. Tunaenda Kariobangi hose up, guys. We want to get this van filled with people.
I know what TikTok.
Wale wanaenda Kariobangi hose up. I'm trying to call those guys. Twende wawili tukiendanga. Randa Kariobangi hose up.
Wale wanaenda Kariobangi also. Kali gari hapa.
Tuingie tujaze gari hapa.
Kariobangi also.
Tuingie kwa gari I'm trying to ask him if he wants to sit at the front seat. Twende Kariobangi hoso. Tukienda ikijaa.
Waeleze, waambie.
Wataiona
ikijaa.
Kujeni hapa. Kariobangi hoso. Tuingie ikijaa tukiendanga.
Wale wanaona Kariobangi hoso.
Yo. Hey guys. The vibe here. Tunaenda Kariobangi hoso.
Kamera ni hapa sikati.
Oh, tuko hapa Kariobangi hoso. Raunda Kariobangi hoso.
Wale wa TikTok.
Ikijaa tukiendanga.
Raunda Kariobangi hoso.
Yo.
Ujaribu kuniangalia mimi nitakutuzi hiyo picha.
Nituzi basi. Tukienda. Wawili. We have to go for them, eh? Guys, we have to go for them. Kariobangi hoso. We have to call them. Guys, it's not an easy job. It's not an easy job, guys. So if you see these conductors doing these things, guys, respect them. Just respect them. It's not an easy job, guys, eh? Stop. Abukuda tuambia hapa. Stop. Okay, waambie hii kazi mnafanyanga yenyewe si rahisi. Manze, I've been here for like the last 20 minutes.
We work so hard.
It's tough.
Convincing people is not easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah, but we are trying. It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
And we have to make it.
Yeah. Support your girl here. So, Kariobangi hoso.
Tell them where it's heading to.
Where it's heading to? Tell them now. You know it's your turn.
Kariobangi round also.
Yes, Kariobangi round also.
White House. We
let me show
have
you.
Thika Road.
Kariobangi hoso.
Welcome.
Welcome. Guys, we have to call people. Yes, we have to
Oli.
Kariobangi hoso. Wawili tukiendanga. Wait. I'm sweating, guys. Kariobangi hoso, mami twende.
Oi, toyo gari hapo oi. Raunda Kariobangi hoso. Wale wa raunda Kariobangi hoso.
Hii inajaa madam twende. Inajaa hii twende. Ndio hii inajaa. So guys, you have to make sure these are cars, not cars, this one is full. Wako wapi? Madam naenda. Kariobangi hoso.
Oli.
Wait, Kariobangi hoso. Ikienda.
Wale wanaona Kariobangi hoso.
Kariobangi hoso wawili ikienda. Mnaenda Kariobangi hoso wawili ikijaa. Kuja.
Wale wanaona Kariobangi hoso.
Confusing these people, guys, is not easy.
Tomorrow.
Kariobangi hoso wawili. Raunda Kariobangi hoso sikienda. Oh bro, hi. Not easy. Completely not easy, guys. Kariobangi hoso wawili ikienda. Kariobangi hoso bro ikienda. Kariobangi hoso bro. Oh, there is an ambulance there. Stop. Guys, I have to keep on shouting. Stop, Kariobangi. That guy is going for people. Wawili ikienda hapo Kariobangi hosop. Kariobangi hosop sita hapo hivyo. Wawili ikija ikienda Kariobangi hosop. Mami. Kariobangi hosop. Yo. Tukienda Kariobangi hosop. Kariobangi hosop.
Ndio hiyo.
Wawili. So guys, I think it's not an easy job. We have come to the end of the video. If you like it, kindly subscribe, share with your friends. But guys, thank you so much for always staying here to watch my videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.